This is my 1989 Chevrolet K5 Blazer. It's got a 3-inch pipe all the way back to a 3.5-inch tip with a Flowmaster muffler. Brand new Mastercraft MXTs. I'm going to do a cold start here. It's about 19 degrees outside. Got down to about -12 last night. Snowed in pretty good. Hopefully she starts. Started pretty easy. Not surprised. Get a taste of what she sounds like. Needs some work. Smoke's kind of bad when it starts. Smells kind of gassy. You never know. She's a beast though. Goes right through any snow. Won't do mud though. Learned that the hard way. Yeah, but she's a beast. And she's sexy. Got about 2 foot of snow on the ground. And it's still going. Got my topper. Chrome bumpers and everything. Yee yee. Well, that was a cold start. Might do another one later if it gets any colder. Give it a couple days. Probably won't be driving it because of the snow. So, yeet.